Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th Azure video tutorial. Today we will copy the sentences, another text, another class. Firstly, we must open a class with same, how can I say, same class. Same Java project. I given name who you have. I think you have this another name, and this class name is Naruto, and I open a new class in this. I use the name Hami. It's my lecturer, and we started this with public class Naruto is prepared and use write public static void main string arg, and we write a Hami Asma object is equal new Hami, and Hami object starts simple message. This meaning is a copy of the message from another class, and in another class we write a public void. It's the method how can we copy of this. This simple message is write a copy of. It's like a code, more alphabetic code. The give everything has a name, and we write a system out print run to send message to another class. Let's change it. I do it last time. Okay. I hope you got it. Let's check it. I hope you got it. You see, everything is easy. This video, we open a new class from there, and we write our code. It's simple one. Also, it's simple method name. This method how can we do it? It's public void, and we write. I hope you got it. And there we copy of this. It's my email address. Thank you for watching video. If you ask a question, you can send email there.